Hi friends, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about Assam. Number 1. Assam is a state in northeastern India. Number 2. Dispur is the capital of Assam. Number 3. It shares borders with Bhutan and Bangladesh. Number 4. Assam is known for its tea plantations. Number 5. Assam has a significant role in India's tea production. Number 6. Assamese is the official language of Assam. Number 7. Assam is famous for its silk production. Number 8. Assam has a vibrant tradition of dance and music. Number 9. The Brahmaputra river flows through Assam. Number 10. The state has a rich history dating back centuries. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.